Welcome everyone. Today's topic of our discussion is how to install a JDK on a Windows 64-bit machine. So let's get started and I'll demonstrate how to do that. Before getting into that, please go to your command prompt and we need to check if there are any previous installations on our system. To do that, let me go open up the command prompt and let me type in if there are any Java versions which are installed in my system. Let me type Java space hyphen version. So there is no Java installed on my machine. So now we need to go and download JDK from our official website and we need to install. Let me pull it up Google Chrome and I will type JDK OpenJDK 17 download and will be directed to the official website. So let me open up, scroll down, and I'll choose JDK 17, the latest version, and let me click it, and it will start downloading it. So let us wait for the download to complete. Meanwhile, let me go to the downloads folder, and here we can see the download has got completed. So let me extract this over here. Let us wait for the extraction to complete. So once this extraction is completed, let me copy this to my programming files under the C drive and I'll paste it over here. Give permissions, allow it to copy. Then go to your environment variables. We need to set the variables where we have installed the Java. We need to set the path. So go to the my computer environment variables. Click on the advanced system settings, environment variables. Then under the system variables, create a new variable Java underscore home. Everything should be written in uppercase. Then go to your C drive where we have placed your JDK, copy that path and place it over here. So this is your location where you have placed your JDK. Now look for a environment variable called path, edit that, go to the tail of the end of the value, put a semicolon, then type in percentage Java underscore home percentage / and bin. Click on OK. Click on OK. Then click on OK to save. Now close this command prompt which you had opened up previously. Then open up a new command prompt. Then type in Java space hyphen version to check if we have installed it successfully. So you can see we have installed OpenJDK 17 on our Windows 64-bit machine. Now let us check and print Java home. Echo space percentage Java home percentage. You can see we have installed our Java application successfully. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.